Hi guys, this is Kim from Roma Designer Jewelry. So I'm answering a few questions today, and we get a lot of questions about where does our jewelry come from, especially our adjustable chains. So our adjustable chains are the most popular items that we sell, and for a good reason. These chains are beautiful. They're diamond cut to shine. They're made of sterling silver, so they're very high quality, and then they're finished in gold, rose gold, or rhodium. And the reason for that is to keep it from tarnishing, and so it'll stay looking bright and beautiful, even with constant wear. And I'm going to show you really quick to adjust these chains. If you can see, you hold the gasket and then you pull the chain, and I'm pulling straight through. So this is why this chain is so well loved, because you can adjust it to whatever length that you want for your shirt. And so you don't have to mess with having multiple sizes of chains. You can just have one chain to make it one size fits all. But where's it coming from? Here we are on Facebook, and you're seeing, or Instagram, or wherever you're seeing our ads, or your friends are sharing us, and you're worried that this is coming from China or Indonesia or who knows where it's being shipped from, and am I gonna get it anytime soon? So I just wanted to quickly let you know that we manufacture our chains in Italy. And we chose Italy because they do the highest quality of chain. You're gonna get the best product out there. So Italy's very well known for their quality in chain manufacturing. And then we have this patented gasket right here. And so from the original adjustable chain manufacturer, and then we make sure that we have this beautiful lobster clasp. So it's not a cheap little spring ring clasp. It's really gorgeous, very easy to use in order to open the pendant. So that's why we manufacture in Italy. But then we manufacture many chains, and we have them shipped to our warehouse in the Boise, Idaho area. And so when you order from us, you are ordering from our warehouse in Boise, Idaho. So depending on where you live in the nation, you could receive your chain in 1 to 5 business days. We're very quick at shipping out. We want to try and have that shipped out in a couple of business days, and make sure that you get your product quickly. So especially with holiday shipping and things like that, we're right on it. We want to make sure you get what you need. So you're getting the quality from Italy, and you get the speed from here in the US shipping, and we'll make sure you get what you need as quickly as possible. Have a great day.